tonight we are in Anaheim at one of my favorite events to come to for Halloween, the Haunted Car Wash at the Big Wave Car Wash. It is select nights through October. We are at Brookhurst and Lincoln. Now, if you're not in this area, there are two others. One at the Carwood Car Wash in Lakewood, and there is one in Montclair at the Splash and Go Car Wash. So Carwood and Lakewood, Splash and Go in Montclair, and the Big Wave here in Anaheim. And now it is priced per car, so you buy one ticket, so however many people can legally fit in your vehicle, seatbelted in, can participate, and you actually do get a car wash. So let's head on in and get the car wash. And the car is filthy, so perfect timing.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, come on. One little bite, come on. Yeah, one little bite.
Oh, yeah, this one. That was the Haunted Car Wash here in Anaheim, Brookhurst, and Lincoln at the Big Wave Car Wash. Also one near you in Lakewood and Montclair. Visit hauntedcarwash.com for locations, dates, times, and tickets. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on. And follow us on social media for more Halloween events across Southern California. Thank you again for watching, and happy Halloween, everyone. Make sure to get your car washed. Don't drive around with a dirty car.